Hey my kitty cats, so today's video is about hair care products, that is shampoos and conditioner. I did a poll on my Instagram where I asked you guys about the shampoos you want my review on, and I have all of those shampoos which you wanted my review on. So let's get started, and I will start with one of my new favorite, that is the Herbal Essence Bio Renew Argan Oil of Morocco shampoo. They claim that it's made from 90% naturally derived ingredients and it has argan oil of Morocco as the main ingredient. Argan oil is rich in vitamins and essential fats, and it is so good for your skin and for your hair and for cooking that it is known as the liquid gold of Morocco. And I will play a clip where I have explained in depth, in details, what is argan oil and where does it come from. So ripe argan fruits fall from the tree and then goats eat them and they poop out the seeds, and these seeds are collected and smashed to get out the kernels, and the oil is pressed out of these kernels. So indirectly, are we applying the poop on our faces? This shampoo is paraben, colorant and gluten free, and it is pH balanced, color safe. Color safe meaning if you color your hair, you can use this shampoo because it will not wash off your color. Now let's talk about the benefits of argan oil, because there are so many. Almost all of your shampoos and your hair care, your hair mask will have argan oil because it is that good. Number one is argan oil is rich in fatty acids like oleic acid and linoleic acid, which help to maintain the moisture of your hair, and also it lubricates the hair shaft. Number two, that it is rich in vitamin E, which forms a fatty layer on your hair. It prevents the dryness and also makes your hair shine, and because it forms a fatty layer, so it prevents the frizziness of your hair. Number three, it improves the health of your scalp because it has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Number four, that it provides the protection from sun. Sun can really damage your hair, your skin, so it provides the sun protection. Number five, that it prevents the hair loss, which we all want. Okay, now let's talk about how I felt about the argan oil shampoo, because I have ordered the backup of this shampoo and I'm gonna also try the strawberry variant of this one. This shampoo added much needed volume in my hair and it made my hair smooth and shiny. My hair is thin and it lacks volume and it's much on the drier side, so this shampoo worked on my hair even in this monsoon season when my hair becomes so frizzy like Monica. Now this shampoo is my number one recommendation, but there are few things you should know about it, that it is not sulfates free. It is parabens free but not sulfates free, you should know that. And then it has stearyl alcohol. Stearyl alcohol has a very different formula from the ethyl alcohol. It is actually not bad for your skin, for your hair. It makes your hair softer and it also acts like a lubricant, and it also stabilizes the formula, your shampoo or your hair mask, and it also thickens the lotions or your shampoos or your conditioner. So it's actually good for your hair and it is non-toxic and safe, completely safe. So don't freak out when you see the stearyl alcohol or cetyl alcohol. It's not bad. They also provide the good quantity for the price. This is 400 ml for 650 rupees and it goes on sale so many times. So definitely this is my number one recommendation to my kitty cats. This really does it for me. My next shampoo is apple cider vinegar shampoo from Wow, and I was so excited to try this shampoo out because it is SLS free, sulfates free, parabens free and silicones free. It also has apple cider vinegar, which makes it more effective in fighting the dandruff. So now all of the ingredients are so amazing and it is sulfates free, which most of the shampoos are not, and I was really excited to try it out. But sadly this shampoo did not work for my hair. It made my hair more frizzy and dry. It must have worked 5 years ago for my hair, because 5 years ago my hair was more on the oilier side. Like after the wash my hair used to get so greasy and oily, but now my hair is on the dry side and this shampoo does not moisturize my hair. My hair needs something extremely nourishing and it does not nourish my hair, sadly. So I also tried the hair mask, which was like okay to me. It did nothing special. It did not stood out. So yeah, that's it for the Wow. So before moving on to the next shampoo, I just want to quickly describe and explain the structure of your hair. So your hair consists of 3 layers. First layer is known as cuticle, which prevents the damage to your innermost hair structure, that is your cortex. And your cortex provides strength, color and texture to your hair. And then we have the medulla, the innermost layer, which is present in the large and thick hair. So now you know the hair structure, and let's move on to the BBlunt shampoo and conditioner, which is my all-time favorite shampoo before I switched to Herbal Essence. And I still use this shampoo and conditioner because I love it, especially if you have extremely dry hair. Okay, so I just took a mini break. I'm so sorry for the lighting and for everything. I was feeling hungry plus angry. So I took a break and I ate something. Now I'm feeling okay. I'm feeling fine. It's monsoon, it's August, that's why it's so like the lighting is so weird in my room right now. There's no light. Like if I did not use my ring light, you wouldn't be able to see me. So I'm so sorry for the lighting. It's just for the August, bear with me. In September it all will be fine. So yeah, we'll be back to normal. Anyway, let's get started. Now let's talk about the BBlunt shampoo ingredients. It has jojoba seed oil, wheat germ oil, vitamin E, hydrolyzed keratin as the main ingredients. Keratin is a protein and 95% of our hair is made up of this protein. Now it is parabens free and color safe. Color safe meaning if you've colored your hair, you can use this shampoo. It will not wash off your color. Now it has sulfates. I read the ingredient list and it has sulfates, so it's not sulfates free. And it also has dimethicone. Dimethicone is a silicone, so it's not silicone free. But I have used this shampoo for the longest period of time out of all the shampoo I've used in my lifetime, and this shampoo makes my hair shiny, frizz free, and it adds the moisture and shine to my hair which no other shampoo added. It makes my hair soft, straight and deeply nourish my hair, but it doesn't add volume to my hair. So currently I'm using the Herbal Essence shampoo and I'm using BBlunt conditioner because this conditioner is my favorite. I have no other conditioner like this. So I quickly want to talk about the conditioners of all of these shampoos because I forgot to talk about it. So for the Herbal Essence conditioner, I feel that it's a good conditioner. It does moisturize my hair and makes them smooth and manageable. It works fine. But then my favorite conditioner is BBlunt conditioner. This makes my hair so smooth, so soft and so manageable. So if you have dry hair, seriously dry hair, I would highly recommend that you try the BBlunt conditioner and shampoo. But it will not add volume to your hair, so do remember this. And if you want volume to your hair, then use the Herbal Essence shampoo. Okay, now let's talk about the jojoba seed oil benefits because it has so many benefits. So let's talk about that. I also have a hair mask for you guys which is made in India, so wait till the end. So let's talk about the benefits of jojoba seed oil for your hair because we haven't talked about the jojoba seed oil on this channel. So the number one benefit of jojoba seed oil is that it is rich in monosaturated fats which deeply moisturize and nourish your hair. It deeply penetrates to the cuticle and deeply condition your hair. Number two, that it encourages the hair growth. It's rich in fatty acids, vitamin B, E and zinc which stimulates the hair growth. Number three, that it repairs the damage caused by heat and heat styling tools. It has a tendency to sit on the outer cuticle, outermost layer of a hair strand, and it fills the cracks formed by the heat. Now let's move on to Aveda Cherry Blossom Shampoo. It has almond oil which is rich in fatty acids, magnesium and vitamin E. It deeply nourishes your hair and condition your hair. It's also silicone free and vegan, but sadly this shampoo did not work for my hair. Same issue, my hair is on the dry side and it did not nourish my hair enough. It's not nourishing enough for my hair. So if you have dry hair, seriously dry hair, I wouldn't recommend this to you. And if you have oily or greasy hair, it seems like a great shampoo. It sounds like a great shampoo, but it does not work for my hair because I have really dry hair. It smells like almond and cherry. It has a very bitter and sweet fragrance It's like one of the nicest smelling shampoos out there. Now let's talk about the Flawsome Wild Bananas Hair Mask. It does not have normal bananas, it has wild bananas. This mask has banana extract, shea butter and provitamin B5, which helps to lock the moisture in your hair, and it is also silicone, phthalates, sulfates and parabens free, which is so amazing. It's also cruelty free, non-toxic and unisex. Every hair care product and skincare is unisex. It's for all gender. All of the makeup is for everybody. So everything is unisex. This hair mask is made from plant-derived natural ingredients like your banana extracts, which is a smoothening agent for your hair. And then it has shea butter, which is very moisturizing for your hair. And then it also has keratin, jojoba oil, argan oil. I have explained the benefits of all of these ingredients. I got this hair mask 15 days ago, and as you can see, I've almost finished this. It is so good. It is working on my hair. It makes my hair soft and manageable, and I have dry hair, so it works on my hair and it makes them so smooth. This hair mask seems to have all the right ingredients and free from all the ingredients which we don't want. But the big question is, does it really work? Yes guys, it really works. It made my hair so soft and manageable. I have finished this hair mask. As you can see, it does say something about this product. It works so good on my hair, and I apply it for 10 minutes after shampooing my hair instead of my conditioner, and I use it twice a week, which is good enough. And yeah, it's really working on my hair. I'm loving it. The one con that I found, that it has a very strong fragrance, like strong banana fragrance. It smells yummy in the tub like bananas, but when I apply it on my hair, it's almost too much, you know. It's also matching what I'm wearing today. It's such a cute product. I do recommend this hair mask, and I have tried other hair masks, but this one is different because it makes my hair so soft. And yeah, kitty cats, that's it for today's video. If you want me to try some other shampoos, conditioner and hair masks, do let me know in the comment section and let me know which one are you gonna try. And yeah, that's it for today, and I'll see you next Sunday. And there are so many announcements coming for this channel, and there's a giveaway coming for this channel, which I will announce later on. So keep the notifications on for this channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.